Hi, I'm Matt at the Yealink stand here at ISE 2022. Just want to give you a quick introduction on our new products here, the MeetingBoard 65. So this will come in two flavors. We have a 65-inch, which is what we have here, and an 85-inch as well. The idea of this kit is it's a native Teams solution, all baked into a large touchscreen. It's a 4K display with a matte screen on the front, so you don't get any reflections from Windows. So the basic idea of this is, if you're in, for example, a classroom setting or a collaborative space, and you want to do your Teams meetings, but you also want to pick up a pen and do some whiteboarding and make some notes, etc., maybe draw some diagrams and lists, this is sort of the all-in-one solution for that. It will be quite a big player in the education space as well, with the ability to load up your PowerPoints, plug it into a laptop as well, and then annotate on your own notes. So it's a very cool product with lots of features baked into this. So let's jump into a call here just to give you an idea. So we've jumped into a video here. We have 16 microphones along the top. They will do about 8 meters of voice pickup range just from this kit alone. If you need to go further than 8 meters, we have plenty of different microphone options to suit your environment. So ceiling microphones, wireless desktop mics, etc. There's a camera here built into the top. This will be able to do your AI technologies such as auto framing, speaker tracking. But if you are in a larger space, we can slot in a bigger camera on the top to give you that enhanced zoom into a space. So just to give you an idea of how simple it is to whiteboard, if I click here and share my whiteboard through Teams, it'll load up in about 20 seconds or so. This is Microsoft's own software. This is their whiteboarding software. So anybody else in my Teams meeting right now would be able to see the notes that I'm doing, so I can swiggle on here, make my shapes, etc. all through the screen. That is being live through everybody else on the meeting. So extremely simple. Pen on one side, eraser on the other. Nice and simple. One final thing to touch on, which is just around the back here. There is a computer plugged into the back. It's part of the screen. It's based on Android. The idea of this is, in the future, your screen might be years and years old, and maybe the chipset is now a little bit old for Teams to be supported. So the idea with this is, instead of having to change a whole screen, you can just change the PC at the back. So swap it out to a fresh computer, and that way you're not wasting a whole screen when a chipset becomes end of life, which is a big problem with quite a lot of these systems, is that you have to chop and change the whole thing if it goes out of date. So we've sort of solved that with the PC issue on the back. So very quick run through there of the product and its features. Any more information, just head to yealink.com. You can find all the product information on there. Thank you.